Welcome to our channel. Sai Baba's compassion reaches you even before you ask. When the world rejects you, Sai Baba silently accepts you. Sai Baba's compassion does not judge your past. Even your smallest prayer is heard by Sai Baba. Sai Baba forgives when the world condemns. His compassion protects you from unseen harm. Sai Baba stays closest when you feel weakest. You may doubt yourself, but Sai Baba never doubts you. Sai Baba's mercy flows silently into your life. When tears fall, Sai Baba's compassion rises. Sai Baba's compassion reaches the broken heart first. He understands pain you cannot explain. Sai Baba never turns away from sincere tears. His compassion works even when you feel unworthy. Sai Baba lifts you quietly without announcing miracles. He stays patient with your slow faith. Sai Baba's compassion does not demand perfection. He accepts you exactly as you are. Sai Baba's mercy protects even silent prayers. When hope fades, Sai Baba's compassion shines. Sai Baba walks with you through unseen struggles. His compassion does not keep count of mistakes. Sai Baba gives strength before you ask for it. He heals wounds time could not heal. Sai Baba's compassion never abandons you. Sai Baba stands by you even when you lose. His compassion gives courage to tired souls. Sai Baba understands your silent fears. You are never alone under Sai Baba's care. Sai Baba's compassion gives peace to restless minds. He protects you from even what you cannot see. Sai Baba listens when no one else does. His compassion calms storms inside your heart. Sai Baba never abandons sincere duties. His compassion is stronger than your problems. Sai Baba's compassion flows without conditions. He gives love when you doubt yourself. Sai Baba sees purity behind your mistakes. His compassion rebuilds broken confidence. Sai Baba lifts you when you feel helpless. He gives peace before solving problems. Sai Baba's compassion works quietly in the background. He holds your hand during lonely nights. Sai Baba understands pain without explanation. His compassion removes fear from the heart. Sai Baba gives strength to face tomorrow. He never ignores a sincere cry. Sai Baba's compassion brings quiet hope. He protects faith when it feels fragile. Sai Baba stays even when answers delay. His compassion comforts the restless soul. Sai Baba heals through love, not fear. He waits patiently for your trust. Sai Baba's compassion never grows tired. He blesses you even during confusion. Sai Baba's mercy restores inner balance. He removes burdens you carry silently. Sai Baba's compassion brings gentle strength. He stands firm when your faith shakes. Sai Baba's compassion carries you forward. Sai Baba's compassion walks with you silently. He sees efforts even when results are missing. Sai Baba understands delays without complaint. His compassion gives calm during uncertainty. Sai Baba protects hope when it feels weak. He strengthens faith during quiet struggles. Sai Baba's compassion accepts your tears. He comforts you before the world notices. Sai Baba never abandons quiet duties. His compassion works beyond human logic. Sai Baba holds you during inner battles. He gives peace even before answers come. Sai Baba's compassion calms restless thoughts. He stays near when faith feels heavy. Sai Baba sees devotion beyond words. His compassion never asks you to prove worth. Sai Baba heals gently and patiently. He protects your soul during hard lessons. Sai Baba's compassion gives silent reassurance. He walks ahead, clearing unseen obstacles. Sai Baba never forgets sincere hearts. His compassion restores inner strength. Sai Baba supports you during silent surrender. He blesses effort more than outcome. Sai Baba's compassion removes inner fear. He guides softly without forcing paths. Sai Baba's compassion stays constant. He understands devotion mixed with doubt. Sai Baba heals without reminders. His compassion carries you closer to peace. Sai Baba's compassion understands your inner silence. He supports you when words fail. Sai Baba sees truth behind confusion. His compassion calms emotional storms. Sai Baba walks beside you unseen. He lifts burdens you never speak about. Sai Baba's compassion protects your soul. He guides gently through uncertainty. Sai Baba never measures devotion. His compassion flows equally to all. Sai Baba comforts even tired faith. He remains calm during your chaos. Sai Baba's compassion brings inner light. He blesses intention more than action. Sai Baba never delays compassion. He strengthens hearts silently. Sai Baba's mercy heals emotional wounds. He accepts your surrender gently. Sai Baba stands firm when you shake. His compassion removes loneliness. Sai Baba sees devotion in silence. He brings peace before solutions. Sai Baba's compassion reassures the heart. He carries your worries quietly. Sai Baba heals through patience. His compassion never fades. Sai Baba guides without pressure. He restores faith gently. Sai Baba's compassion rebuilds trust. He walks with you patiently. Sai Baba listens to unspoken prayers. His compassion protects fragile hearts. Sai Baba blesses perseverance. He stays close during fear. Sai Baba's compassion steadies life. Sai Baba's compassion embraces every soul. He remains near even when unseen. Sai Baba comforts hearts silently. His compassion dissolves inner fear. Sai Baba strengthens gentle faith. He heals through loving patience. Sai Baba's mercy brings calm assurance. He carries every sincere prayer. Sai Baba's compassion guides gently. Sai Baba blesses every sincere step. Sai Baba's compassion never ends. Sai Baba's love remains eternal. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.